Hey, it's Vanessa, the Crafty Gemini, and in this video I want to share with you my initial thoughts of my new outdoor pizza oven, the Gozney Roccbox. So I did research for a little over a month on different Facebook groups, watching YouTube videos, and of course we've also been experimenting with different pizza dough recipes, whether they be regular and gluten-free, all kinds of stuff. So it's been super fun. We also harvested some fresh toppings from our garden. Here we put some tomatoes, zucchini, and dark purple opal basil. You can see how amazing this little oven is, I think, just from this clip. This was my first pizza that I made inside of the Gozney Roccbox. It turned out great. We're definitely still tweaking the dough recipe, but I wanted to show you how it comes in the box in case you're looking for an outdoor pizza oven. Now, this one comes just with the gas burner. There's also a separate accessory that you can purchase so that you can turn it into a wood-burning outdoor pizza oven. So I may eventually venture out to that, but the propane is super simple to use. We have propane tanks on site, and there's no smoke, and this is right outside the back door of my house on the back porch, so this was just the easiest setup. It comes with this cool strap on it, so you can see I held it up by the handle. It's really pretty, and from all the research I've done, this seems to be one of the best made in terms of high quality materials, super well insulated, a really thick base, or the stone at the bottom of the pizza oven, which helps maintain the temperature once you bring it up to temp, so you don't really have to wait too long in between cooking the different pizzas. So here I am reading the instructions on how to attach the gas burner. I put that pizza peel in front of the Roccbox to block it, because after a couple of hours sitting like this, I had a bird that was already trying to make a nest in there, so I knew if I planned to leave it outside, I definitely needed a cover. Right now, I don't have the time to sew up a custom cover for the Roccbox, so I just went ahead and spent the $50 and bought the waterproof cover that Gozney sells for this. So the gas burner just sits inside these little notches, and then you twist it to lock it into place. It's such a super easy setup. Keep in mind that the Roccbox weighs about 45 pounds, so if that's a little heavy for you to carry on your own, having a second person will definitely make things easier. But the other end of the hose just screws into your propane tank like any other barbecue or grill. Then the instructions say to turn on the Roccbox at its lowest setting for about 30 minutes to cure the oven. After that, you can crank it up to the highest setting for about 15 to 20 more minutes to bring the entire thing up to temperature before you start launching pizzas in the oven. Here you can see what the flame looks like in the back of the Roccbox when it's set to the lowest setting. This was during that curing of the oven stage. But here is the Roccbox cranked up to as high as it will go, and after about 20 minutes of that, it's ready for pizzas. Now, when it comes to temperature settings, the Gozney Roccbox can reach temperatures of up to 500 degrees Celsius, which is 932 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's not just great for pizzas and flatbreads, but also for searing off meats and fish and even roasting vegetables. So all in all, I have to give my new Gozney Roccbox, I think, a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. I really can't think of anything else that I would change or add to it right now. I know that there are some outdoor pizza ovens that are bigger in size. I find that like that 10-inch to 12-inch range of a pizza is just perfect for what we need. I really don't want to have to be struggling with large pizzas and trying to keep them whole and all that. So for us, for adding this to our outdoor entertainment area, it really just has been the best addition. Perfect size. I have nothing bad to say about this oven. So if you're interested in checking it out, I'm going to include my affiliate link in the description box below this video, so you can check out the Roccbox if you're currently researching outdoor pizza ovens. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.